Hello, second grade. My name's Monica, and I'm a certified teacher in Tennessee. I'm glad that you've joined me today. Today we're going to do a number talk. Number talks are ways to think about all of the different ways you can add and subtract numbers mentally. So you shouldn't need any materials, no paper or pencil. Just think about addition and subtraction. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to write some expressions here, and I want you to think about what the answer might be, and think about how you're thinking about solving the problems. Ready? Let's start. Here's the first one. 20 plus 20. Have you thought about an answer? All right. Sarah, tell us what you think the answer is to 20 plus 20. Sarah says that she thinks the answer to 20 plus 20 is 40. Do we agree or disagree with Sarah's answer? I see that everybody agrees that 20 plus 20 is 40. Sarah, tell us about how you thought about this problem. Sarah said that she was thinking about a hundreds chart. And she was thinking about this final column in a hundreds chart. This is the column that shows us the tens. So these are counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and see if you can see that, 100. So Sarah, how are you using this tens column on the hundreds chart? All right, so Sarah says that she was just thinking about counting by tens, and she said 20 plus 10 more, 20 more, is 40. Very good. Let's look at another one. Ready? The next one is 30 plus 31. What do you think the answer might be to 30 plus 31? Jordan, would you like to share? Jordan says that he thinks the answer to 30 plus 31 is 61. Do we agree or disagree with 61? All right. I see that everybody agrees that 30 plus 31 is 61. Jordan, can you tell us about how you thought about this problem? Okay, so Jordan was thinking about the tens. He said that he thought about 30 as being 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. and 31 as being 3 more tens. 10, 20, 30. And a 1. 31. So if we add them together, we have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And how many ones? 1. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. I like that strategy. This is called breaking a number apart into its place value. So the 30 is just 3 tens and 0 ones. 31 is 3 tens and 1 1. That makes the numbers friendlier when we break the numbers apart into the tens and ones, and a lot easier and faster to add them. Let's do another one, and I want us to continue thinking about the breaking apart strategy that Jordan told us about. Here's the next problem. The next one is 23 plus 25. What might the answer be to 23 plus 25? Stacy, would you like to share your answer? Stacy says that she thinks the answer to 23 plus 25 is 48. Do we agree or disagree with Stacy's answer of 48? I see that everybody agrees. Stacy, talk to me about how you thought about this problem. Great. Stacy said that she did the breaking apart strategy. She thought about 23 broken into its tens place and ones, broken into tens and ones, is 2 tens and 3 ones. So 23 is 20, 10, 20, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 23. And then 25 is broken into its tens and ones. 2 tens, 10, 20. And how many ones? Yes, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now what did you do, Stacy? So Stacy said that next she combined the tens. So she combined the 20 and 20. And we already know from up here that 20 plus 20 is 40. 20 plus 20 equals 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And now we're left with just the ones. Here's the ones. 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And now, all together, we have 40 plus 8 equals 48. Very good. What do you say? We should do another string of number talks and practice this strategy some more. All right. Ready? Okay. The next problem is 21 plus 32. Have you thought of an answer? All right. Madison, can you tell us what you think the problem, or the answer, excuse me. Can you tell us what you think the answer is to 21 plus 32? Sarah says she thinks the answer to 21. Madison says that she thinks the answer to 21 plus 32 is 53. Do we agree or disagree with Madison's answer, 53? All right, very good. We all agree 21 plus 32 is 53. Madison, tell us how you thought about this problem. Great. So Madison thought about it again as breaking the numbers apart into its tens and ones. Here we have, in 21, we have 2 tens, and in 32, we have 3 tens. So that is 20 plus 30. Here it is. 20 and 30. Now, the ones. In 21, we have 1 1. And in 32, we have 2 ones. So, 1 plus 2. 21 and 32. Now, we just need to combine the tens and the ones. 20 plus 30 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 1 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3. So 50 plus 3 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Very good. Good job. Let's do another one. This one is 27 plus 31. Have you thought of an answer? Great. Cameron, tell us what you think the answer to 27 plus 31 is. That's great thinking, Cameron. Cameron says he knows that the answer is going to be close to 60 because 27 is close to 30 and so is 31. So it's going to be close to 60. What is the answer, Cameron? Cameron says that the answer is 58. Do we agree or disagree with Cameron's answer? 58. I see everybody agrees. 27 plus 31 is 58. So Cameron told us about how he was thinking about the answer. Let's hear from someone else. Sarah, would you like to talk to us about how you thought about this problem? Very good. So Sarah said that she broke the numbers 27 and 31 into their place of 10's place and 1's place. So 27 is 20 or 2 10s plus 7 or 27. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And then 31 is 3 10s or 30. 10, 20, 30 plus 1, 1. 10, 20, 30, 31. Great. Sarah, what did you think about next? Sarah thought about combining or adding together the 20 and the 30. Let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 20 plus 30 equals 50. Ooh, 50. Now what? Great. Good job, Sarah. Then Sarah thought about combining or adding together the ones. 7 plus 1. 7 and 1 more is 8. We can count just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 5 10s and 8 1s. 5 10s is 50 and 8 1s plus 8. 50 plus 8 is 58. You guys were correct. That was some great thinking. I liked how you broke apart these numbers into the tens and the ones places, and then just thought in your mind, did some mental math, combining the tens and combining the ones. Good job. I will have some in the parent packet and the teacher packet. You can find some extra practice breaking apart numbers to add. Thanks for thinking so hard with me, and I will see you next time.
Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be talking about numbers, and we're going to use a specific math tool called a 10 frame. I know most of you are familiar with this, but if you're not, what do you notice about it? Yes, you are noticing that there are 5 rectangles on top and 5 on the bottom. This tool is going to help us as we count numbers today. Let's get ready. Let's look at this 10 frame together. How many dots do you see and how do you see them? Okay, yes, I'm hearing you say you see 4 on the top. How do you see those 4? Dominique, you see 2 and 2. 4, yes. Dominique, how do you see them on the bottom? You see 3 on the bottom. Does anyone else see them the same way? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, I'm seeing lots of thumbs up. So we have 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Does anyone see them in a different way? Nope, we're all together. Great. So let's think about how we can find out how many there are in all. What can we do? Yes, Tim, you're right. We can count them. Let's use our counting on strategy to see how many dots we have in all. 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots in all. Now, let's go a step further and write a math expression to show our thinking. How many dots were on the top? 4. And how many were on the bottom? 3. 4 and 3 make 7. There are 7 dots in all. Great job. Let's do another. Again, I'm going to ask you the question, how many dots do you see and how do you see them? What are you thinking, Adair? You see those same 4 dots on the top, and then on the bottom you see 6 dots. How did you see those 6 dots? Oh, you're seeing them in groups of 2, or partners. Okay, yes. Does anyone see them differently? All right, Katie. Katie said she sees 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom to make 6. That's another way to see them. How can we know how many we have in all? Aaron? We can use our counting on strategy. You're right. So let's do that now. Let's use our counting on strategy to see how many dots we have in all. Let's start at the top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots do we have in all? 10. That's exactly right. Tommy, you said that makes sense to you because you know that 6 and 4 make 10, and you've been working on making a group of 10. That's great. Why don't we write a math expression to show our thinking? How many dots are on the top? 4. That's right. And how many are on the bottom? 6. Yes, there's 6 dots on the bottom. And we know that 4 and 6 more make 10. Great, wonderful. Oh, Jessie, you have an idea. Jessie said, can we put the dots on the bottom on the top to fill up the 10 frame and make a group of 10? Can we do that? Yes, that's exactly what we did. We added the dots on the bottom to the top and made a group of 10. Now let's put them back. And now we show our equation again. 4 and 6. I love thinking about math, don't you?